Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into GigSalad, a platform designed to bridge the gap between entertainers, service providers, and clients seeking talent for their events. GigSalad is a niche freelancer platform specifically catering to the entertainment and events industry. Whether you're a musician, a comedian, a magician, a photographer, a DJ, or even a party planner, GigSalad provides a dedicated space to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. This platform is ideal for professionals in the entertainment sector who are looking to expand their reach and book more gigs, from intimate gatherings to large-scale corporate events. One of GigSalad's most compelling features is its incredibly user-friendly interface. Creating a profile is straightforward, allowing freelancers to detail their talents, services, past work experience, and pricing. The platform supports various media, including photos and videos, and integrates client reviews directly into profiles. This comprehensive approach empowers clients to easily assess whether a particular provider aligns with their specific needs and event vision. GigSalad further streamlines the entire booking process with built-in tools for generating quotes, managing contracts, and processing secure payments. This automation frees up valuable time for freelancers, allowing them to concentrate on delivering exceptional services rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. GigSalad offers both free and paid membership options for freelancers. While the free plan allows you to create a listing and respond to client inquiries, paid plans, such as the featured or spotlight memberships, significantly enhance your profile visibility and provide access to a larger pool of potential leads. These premium features can be a game-changer for professionals seeking to stand out in a competitive market and secure high-quality bookings. From the client's perspective, GigSalad offers a streamlined and efficient way to find and hire the perfect talent for their events. They can easily browse profiles, compare services, read reviews from previous clients, and request personalized quotes, all within a single platform. GigSalad's integrated review system fosters trust and transparency, providing valuable insights into the quality and reliability of each service provider. In conclusion, GigSalad proves to be a valuable resource for both entertainers and event professionals looking to expand their businesses and connect with a broader client base. Its intuitive interface, secure booking tools, and dedicated focus on the event's niche make it a compelling choice. Whether you're a performer looking for gigs or planning your next event and need to hire top-tier talent, GigSalad is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description below to learn more and get started today.